Welcome agriculture drone service providers. Today we are going to look after the BhuMeet DSP application and how the DSPs can register onto this platform. For that purpose we need a mobile Android phone and we need to download that BhuMeet DSP application into the mobile. Suppose you have downloaded that application, then here you can see the BhuMeet DSP application into the mobile. Click on that application. If you are the first time user, click on the sign up link given at the bottom side, and if you are already the user, just provide your email ID and password to use this platform. So click on sign up link, then it will ask you to fill up the details. Provide the first name, last name, email ID, mobile number and password, etc. So I'm going to provide the details. After providing the email ID, you need to verify it. So click on that verify link just beside the email you have provided. In inbox you will get that verification link. So click on verify. You will get the OTP onto your email. Provide that same OTP over here. Click on verify button. Email ID has been verified. Same thing you need to follow for your mobile number. Provide your mobile number. Click on verify. You will get the OTP on your mobile number. Provide that number. Here your email ID and phone number both have been verified. Now provide the password and confirm password. For security purpose, do not share your password with anyone else. Follow all the instructions to provide correct password. Click on create account button. So you can see here, after clicking on create account button, account created successfully message has been provided. Click on OK. Now here you need to provide your company details. Provide the company details. For example, Nikhil Agro Services. Provide the country. Provide your state. Provide the city where you are going to provide the drone spraying service. Click on next. Now add the location where you need to provide the spraying service. So in my case, I am providing the same city where I am living. Click on next. Here you need to provide your drone details. So provide the drone name. Provide the model of your drone. Provide the manufacturer. Just for example, I have purchased the drone from Thanos Technologies. So I have selected that company. The drone type, I am using hexacopter. What is the battery capacity of your drone? Provide that battery capacity, for example 2200 mAh battery. What is the endurance of your drone? in minutes. 20 minutes, for example. Endurance means how much time it can fly into the air. Then the tank capacity of your drone, for example, 16 liters. Is your drone certified? Yes. What is the ID of your drone? Provide that ID. Then after filling all the details, click on next. Your drone has been added successfully. Now you need to add the pilot details. If you are the drone service provider company as well as you yourself is working as a drone pilot, then you can turn on this option, I also work as pilot. Then click on next. Work as a DSP and pilot. Please note, once you select work as DSP and pilot, you cannot switch to work as DSP option. Click on OK. Now you need to add the crop details. Just for initial stage, you can add only one crop over here. After completion of your registration process, you can add multiple crops into the settings. So just for now, I'm selecting Bajra. Then what are the charges you are going to apply for your farmers per acre? So just for example, I am going to charge 500 rupees per acre. Click on add. One crop has been added. It is okay for your registration process. Click on done. This is how your registration process has been completed, and you can see the dashboard over here, which will provide you the entire analysis of your business. Here you can see the total number of orders done by your company, scheduled order in the future, pending orders, and in progress. In progress means the orders which are running right now. Then you can see various functionalities and features over here. Pilots, you can add a pilot over in this platform. You can add the multiple locations. Then you can add the drones. You can add the team members who can look after your business on behalf of you. Then you can add the services, revenue, and drone model details. That's it. We have seen the DSP registration process on the BhuMeet DSP platform. Thank you.